how to log in into Workday account. For that, you have to open preferred browser and on the web address bar type in www.workday.com and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to the official site of Workday account, and now you need to click on this register now link. Click on it. Then you will be taken to the another page where on the top right corner you can see the login button. Click on login. And now when you scroll down here, you can easily find out the login tab. You need to enter your business email and the password. So let's enter the business email and the password here. Once you have entered all the credentials, you need to click on login button and easily log into your Workday account. If you forgot your password, you can click on forget password link and easily reset from there. But if you are a new user on the Workday, then you need to create account by clicking on this create account button. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.